Hi everyone, I'd like to talk a little bit about relations. So relations are a rule that map elements in the domain to elements in the codomain. So let's talk about those words for a moment. The domain is your set of inputs. So in my example here, I have inputs 1, 2, and 3. And the elements in the codomain, I'll make that red, are your set of possible outputs. In this example, my codomain is a set of words. Like a cat, another word do, and another word cat. And my relation seems to map the number to the length of the word. So 1 went to A, 2 went to do, and 3 went to cat, because there's 3 letters in cats. And some other times you'll get relations that don't make any sense at all. They're just some pattern that somebody made up and you're asked to work with it. But the point here is that we have an input set, we have an output set, and there's a direction that we're mapping. We're mapping from the input to the output. This diagram is encoding information, and we can also write that information in different formats. So a different way of talking about a relation would be to say R is the relation given by the set, so I need curly brackets, of ordered pairs. And when I list the ordered pairs, in each pair, I'm going to start with the input, for example, 1, and then I list the output, which would be A. The next ordered pair, the next arrow is to do, and the last one I only have 3 little arrows in my diagram, is 3 cat. And I'm going to close that with a curly bracket to represent that the set is done. So that's another way of talking about the relation R. And each of the first elements in the little pairs, those are my inputs, like 1, 2, and 3. And then the outputs are the second item, A, do, and cat in this case. Now, a different way of talking about relations would be to say 1 relates to A. And you could also write 2 relates to do, and you could write 3 relates to cat. So that's a different notation sometimes that you will see.